here riding around on the Super 73. Still with the inner tube from Super 73, which I believe has a hole in it. It's really strange. We put in the tire sealant, got the service done. The next day, tire was flat. You guys saw from the last video. So I do need to get the inner tube switched out again. We got our brand new inner tube from Urban Drive Style. Shout out to Urban Drive Style. I do have a brand new inner tube from them that should fit in the bike, no problem. I got a 20 by 4.1, 20 by 4.9 inch wide tire. So that's fine. We'll go ahead and get that thrown into the bike eventually, sooner than later. So hopefully then the tire issue is sorted and we don't need to deal with a flat tire again. And anytime soon, hopefully, let's see. Third time's a charm, right? Let's see. We'll see. So yeah, we're still riding around on the compromised inner tube. Didn't seem to be holding air. I just now put it back up to 35 bar before we went out here with this ride right now. So we'll see at the end of the ride how much air we've lost. If we've lost a lot of air or not. Let's see, hopefully something not so bad. Okay, he's getting a little bit muddy. This is gonna be fun. Don't want to get the bike too dirty, but let's see here what happens. Hopefully we don't get a stinking, filthy mess. Let's see. Yeah, this is a mess. Right here on the concrete strip over here. Let's go over here, Kinderwagen. Over here. There's a little bit of a game of Tetris here. In the way. That's okay. Use the grass to clean the tires, right? Sorry, I'm off real quick. Sundays in Mauerpark are really busy, y'all. Full of families. So, let's see, get past this. We're gonna head over here. We'll cross this bridge over here. Pretty cool. Border from east to west, Berlin. I said it's full of people today. I gotta be careful. Okay. Over here, we'll cut down underneath the bridge over here and head over towards this border crossing from east to west. Check out the tires like the end of the ride. See how it holds up. Out here in Prenzlauer Berg, East Berlin. See these rocks over here? Gotta be careful. Those you can slide out pretty easy. Yeah, out here, East Berlin, Prenzlauer Berg. Nice middle end of course. Beautiful weather. Right around here, Prince y'all. Still on the replacement Super 73 inner tubes they sent out. Not holding air, but I could put air in at least and ride around a little bit. Contacted the Apple guys already, so hopefully we'll get that service in soon. Maybe the next days. Let's see. Got these mods to do as well too. Hopefully that we can do here soon. I'm thinking about just doing them in the condition that the bike is in. Maybe before I get the tires sorted. I'll see. I don't know yet. Let's go over here. We'll cross the street. Head over towards this border crossing of east and west. Rad City. Let's cue the music. Here, this is a bridge over here, right in front of us. It is this bridge that's the crossing between east and west Berlin. That's pretty cool. Rad City. Thanks for checking out today's episode. This is the bridge, east and west. Again, the pod's over there. A really nice day today. Winter's almost over. We're in Berlin. You get really good 4 or 5 months out of the year that are really frigid Arctic weather. You get used to it, but it can get a little bit depressing in the wintertime. So like you see with the Super 73, you know, it's a never-ending struggle. A little bit here the last couple weeks, the last month with the back tire. I'm still hoping to get it sorted 100%. And I definitely know, I believe that Yapley can do it. I'm quite confident in their ability. We just need to do it one last time. Make sure it's all sorted 100%. Get in as well too, this 10-speed upgrade cassette that I have. Get this all in there one last time. Maybe we can really enjoy the spring, summer 2021 here on the Super 73 in Berlin. Yeah, 8 psi of air in the last video. If you guys been following Rad City the past couple of weeks, past couple of months, I'm sure you guys have been following all my issues with the tires and everything. And it's been a bit of a struggle. but we make it work at Rad City. Thankfully, Urban Drive Style is there to give me a hand if I really need it. The athlete as well too is trying their best. Super73 has been really good as well too, I find. So everybody's trying their best to keep Rad City rolling 2021 here. So one last thing we gotta do is basically get this inner tube sorted so it doesn't keep on losing air, and then we'll be good. I'm not sure where we're gonna go, but I have some ideas for some longer routes for you guys. Or maybe even we'll take this thing out on the train, take this bike out on the high-speed train, go somewhere outside of Berlin, maybe even Poland. Who knows? So let's see. First thing to do is get this thing sorted and then do like the mods, and then we can see about then going further. So alright, so y'all keep it moving. I just keep on airing the tire for right now, so I can ride around a little bit for you guys. I've been dying to go out. As you guys know, the tire exploded. I was sitting there for like 2 or 3 weeks, not being able to ride, so I was just itching to ride. So I was contemplating whether or not even to ride today with the condition that the tire is in. I think as long as I have my pump, as long as I'm mindful about the air pressure, it should be okay. Ride around a little bit. I don't want to push it too hard today. I don't really want to ride too much off-road today. I just want to get the pedals moving a little bit, get the blood flowing here. It's been a while since I've ridden, so it's been really nice. Happy to be back on the bike. It's a nice feeling. Okay, let's pass this dude here. That's one of the nicest feelings on the Super73, passing somebody who just has so much power on tap to be able to pass somebody. It's pretty good. Yeah, Rad City, y'all. Thanks so much for checking out today's episode. Quick little ride around the block today. Kind of see how we're doing with the air and the tube, right? So thanks again for checking out today's episode. Please like, share, and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Try my best to keep you guys entertained, give you guys cool Super73 footage here from the capital of Germany. So if you guys appreciate the video and watching it so far till the end here, go up and subscribe for me. That would be awesome. Leave a comment, let me know below what you guys thought of today's video. And I'll catch you guys again real soon. Donuts, y'all. Vegan donuts. How many people can ride their Super73s with no hands? It's getting easier as you get used to riding a bike. You get more used to riding it with no hands. These big fat tires, super easy.